When I listen podcast, I didn't remember that much knowledge and information. I was so confused. Is my mind is so weak or I have any medical condition? But recently I watched Huberman podcast. That podcast was so amazing, so informative, and he talks about how to focus. So in this video, I will share what I learned, and I damn sure you will get so much knowledge from this video. So hello friends, I am Sai Kadam and I am welcoming to my channel. This channel will help you to enhance your skills. So without any delay, let's upscale. Let's upscale. Mental focus follow visual focus. It is simply means when you watch video on YouTube, there is a high chances that you will remember each and word from that video till the day pass. But when you listen podcast, listen on Spotify or another audio platform, then there is so high chances that you will forget that knowledge, that words, and that is happened because of our brain has functions. And first one is visionary system, and second one is auditory system. Mental focus follows visual focus. This means whatever you are learning, when you see that with your eyes, then your brain functions so efficiently and he will understand whatever you learn. But when you listen podcasts, when you listen something else, then there is a high chance that your brain will not work that much good, because our brain's primary source of learning is eyes, is visual focus. You notice that when you are talking with someone and he suddenly says listen this, and you are trying to listen what he is saying, then some point of time your attention goes out. You're thinking about something else, but your eyes on the human, on that person, right? Why this is happening? Because your alertness goes, because you don't focus on him, you are trying to listen what he's saying, and that's why you can't focus on that person. Same rule apply on this. So whenever you study, don't try to listen more, try to see, try to engage your visual focus on that particular thing. So that is the one thing I learned from that podcast. The another one is plasticity start by alertness. It means, let me clear what is the plasticity. If you don't know, the plasticity means a change in neurons of a mind. Like when you learn guitar, when you just started, your brain don't have that particular neurons to tell your brain that this is this chord, this is another chord, that is how you play. No, you don't have any information, any neurons in your mind. So when you try to learn that new thing, your brain creates such a neurons, a new neurons, and when you end that session and after some days you will get that chords, you will more likely to play with unconscious way, because you got that. Your brain created those neurons that will help you to play that guitar very efficiently, at least well than before. But how we can plasticity our brain? That is so simple. First one is do changes in your behavior, make mistakes, and the other solution is practice there are some practices of behavior, such as caffeine. If you consume caffeine, your alertness will go high, very high. So if you're trying to learn something, start with mistakes and then you will guaranteed learn what you're trying to learn it. So this is another thing which is more important and I learned from that podcast. The third most important thing is how long should you focus? What is the actual time that we can focus on one particular thing? We have a 90-minute cycle. Each 90-minute cycle you have a focus time. Okay? So when you wake up in the morning, the first 90-minute cycle starts from sharing that. So if you got some insights, then please tell me in comment. Thank you.